Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am uploading class 5 NSO paper set C of this year. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel. First starts with logical reasoning. Question number 1. Count the number of unit cubes in the given figure. There are 29 cubes. So option C. Which of the following point is northwest of K? It's point L. So option C. Select the mirror image of the given figure. It's option B. Read the information carefully and answer the following question. Anisha and Manoj like orange and pink color. Parul and Varun like green and yellow color. Manoj and Parul like green and orange color. Arya, Manoj and Anisha like pink color. Who among following likes only green and yellow color? Green and yellow color is liked by Parul and Varun, but Parul also likes orange color. So only Varun is the person. Hence option D. Question number 5. Select the figure from which complete the given figure pattern. It's option B. Which of the following Venn diagram best represent the relationship among players, mains and champions? It's option D. If certain code language friend is written as this, then how will mother is written? After observing the first three letters, interchange their places and last three letters also written in reverse order. So similarly, mother can be written as option 1. There is a certain relationship between the two pairs of figure. We have to find the next figure. For that, it's option D. If Sanaya went for music practice every day in March except dates which are multiples of 3, then for how much day she go for music practice in that month? And Saturday and Sundays are holiday. So excluding Saturday, Sunday and all the multiples of 3 and counting other dates, there are 14 days. So option B. Which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? Glue can be formed, plug can be formed, but bend cannot be formed because letter B is not present in the given word. Now let's start the science section. Select the odd one out on the basis of breathing methods of animal. Grasshopper, butterfly and cockroaches are insects and they breathe through spiracles, whereas prawn breathe through gills. So option D. Refer the figure of dicot seed and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q and R. P is a plumule, Q is a radical and R is a cotyledon. So option D. Read the statement and select incorrect. Nerves are thread-like structure that transmit messages from brain and body. Yes. Diencephalon control the musculoskeletal movement and maintain the balance and posture of the body. No. Diencephalon is a part of forebrain which control hormones, also the temperature and sensory organ control. So this is the incorrect statement. Refer the given flow chart and select the correct option regarding X, Y and Z. Here Z is a terrestrial plant, usually shades its leaves in the winter. No. Remains green throughout the year. Yes. So Z could be pine. Y is a terrestrial plant. Yes, and it shades its leaves during the winter season. So it could be maple. Whereas X is some aquatic plant. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 15. Identify the joint X shown in the given figure and select the correct statement regarding its. X is a ball and socket joint which moves in all directions. So option A is the correct. Match 1 with 2. Salamander is an amphibian. Chameleon is an arboreal animal which lives on trees. Bat is an aerial animal and octopus is an aquatic animal. Hence option C. Next question number 17. Refer the diagram and find X. X is a communicable disease which is airborne. So it's common cold, yes. Pneumonia, yes. Cholera, no. Cholera is a waterborne disease. So both A and B are the correct option. Option D. Question number 18. Unscramble the given letters to get the name of an animal. After unscramble, we get locust. Locust is a insect which causes destruction to the crop. Now let's start the statement which is correct about it. It travels from Arctic region to Antarctic region and back again each year. No. It travels from Antarctica to its tropical breeding ground in the coastal water of Australia. No. It travels from Canada to Mexico and participation of least 5 generation is required to complete its annual migratory cycle. No. It is a destructive migratory insect, travel approximately 5 to 130 km per day. This is the correct statement. Read the given statement and select the incorrect. Non-flowering plants like ferns and mosses reproduce through spore. Yes. Cotyledons are present inside the seed coat and have food stored in them. Yes. Germinating seed need oxygen to obtain energy from its cotyledons. Yes. Rabi crop sown with the arrival of monsoon. No. It's a wrong statement because rabi crops are sown between October to November. So it's a wrong option B. Identify the natural disaster from given statement. It is caused by sudden movement of tectonic plates. It is measured by the instrument called seismograph and it generates seismic waves that can be measured on Richter scale. So it's a earthquake. Option A. Dash is the example of metamorphic rock. Option A. Which of the following activities does not cause soil pollution? Improper waste disposable by industry? No. Agriculture waste like pesticides and fertilizers? No. Solid waste like plastic bags, bottles, cans, etc.? No. Use of paper or jute bag instead of polythene bags? Yes. It helps to avoid the soil pollution. Option D. Unscramble the given letter in the box to obtain the names of few items. See, the first is paper, second is cardboard, third is ceramic, fourth is bowl, then gold, ring, polythene, leaf, and coin. So, out of them, paper, cardboard, and leaf are the biodegradable waste. Option B. Question number 24. Read the statement and find the process X. X is a special change of state in which substance absorbs energy so quickly from its surrounding that it changes directly from solid to gas without undergoing melting. So, this process is called sublimation. Read the given statement about X and Y and select the option. X is a metal extracted from chalcopyrite ore and is used for making electrical wires and utensils. Y is a non-metallic mineral used in making glass and ceramic. So X is a copper and Y is a silica. Hence option B. In this way, class 5 set C NSO paper part 1 of this year is explained. If you are like the video, please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.